not free. That's not free. That's Alright guys, here we go.
Chào bạn ngồi luôn bên đây cái đây. Sit down.
Chỗ này này. Từ trà xíu. Nè, bước đây. Để bước được mà. Nhìn đó đi.
Okay. Alright guys, here we go. Alright. We are finally. There's the ticket. There you go. I think we gotta put our life jackets on here. Alright, here we go. We got the boat all to ourselves. Xin chào.
Xin chào. Xin chào.
Xin chào. Hoi An. Wow, beautiful. Definitely a must do here in Hoi An. If you are coming to Hoi An, you gotta come to the night market and get on one of these boats here. I think it's a 20-minute ride for 170,000 dong, which is like maybe I think $5. No, maybe like less than $6. So, whoa. Wow guys, this is a beautiful experience here in Hoi An. Even though there's a lot of river boats, it's still pretty serene that this kind of type of attraction still occurs here in Hoi An. There are thousands of people here right now on a Monday. So, but even though it's crowded, I still recommend doing this night riverboat in Hoi An. You have lighter?
Okay. Mày.
Oh. Where?
Mày, sit down.
Oh, this way? Okay.
Mày. Okay.
Okay. Ah. Oh wow, okay. So she's gonna set up the lanterns here. She can light it up.
Ai quên đây đó.
Oh wow. Okay.
Hai photo.
Oh yeah, photo, yeah. Okay, there's flash. Guys, we are gonna. Wow, there you go. Prayers for my fiance here. Hopefully she passes the exam tomorrow. One more. There we go. This is for my family. I hope them good health and success and everything they do. Thank you guys for everything. This is for you guys. Wow. Okay. Thank you so much. Oh wow. Oh, you're very good, very good. Thank you. I'm Vietnamese.
Vietnamese?
No, just kidding. I'm Philippines.
Look like Vietnamese.
I know. All the time they tell me. Guess how old?
35.
Oh, close. 39.
More older than me, 1 year.
Oh, you're 38. Ah,
But
okay.
look very young.
I know. People tell me all the time. They say I'm 29.
Have a
You-
girlfriend?
Fiance.
Girlfriend?
Yeah, in Philippines.
When you
Yeah.
come back here?
I come back. I think next month. I come back.
Girlfriend?
Yeah.
But maybe I stay here every time.
Beau-
You're coming here.
Beautiful place. Yeah, food is very good. I like the bun shao, the pancake, the bun shao. Yeah, very good. Yeah, very good.
This one in the market very good.
Yeah, so many people here.
When you get married?
Next year. Next year, yeah. And-
Not young anymore.
Yeah, no, I need to get married now. Yeah. But I
How old are you, girlfriend?
33.
Younger.
Yeah.
Good airplane,
Yeah, good plan. Yeah.
Maybe next time, next year you come out. Next month your girlfriend come here, see me.
Oh yeah. What do you sell?
Only lantern.
Oh, the lanterns. Ah, okay. Do they have ones that fly or no?
No, only
Oh, only on the water. Ah, okay. Okay, we'll come back next month.
See you next month.
Okay, see ya. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
This place is massive. I didn't realize how big the night market is because it's on both sides of the river, and then you got like different alleyways that also are filled with vendors. So, and it's pretty much the entire stretch of this river here. So that is a neat looking restaurant behind me. Sakura Restaurant. I may have to come back next time I come here.
It's to connect with the community.
Yeah. I talk about Tom.
Tell him
Tell-
on time drop and
He's a content creator.
Tell me,
He'll make you famous.
tell me something about Hoi An.
Yeah, I don't know how to say something in Hoi An, but in Hoi An I have this bar for
It's 50 years.
50 years already, and we're selling all the best beer ever.
Yeah.
What
nice.
year? What year did you start?
Sorry, what?
What year did you start this
About
bar?
1975,
Wow. Long time.
almost 20 years already.
Long time.
So good.
Wow.
Tom,
And he's the grandson.
Oh, your grandson.
Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations.
Cheers.
I'm the grandson child, the grandson owner.
Wow. Congratulations. So are you originally from Hoi An?
Yeah, I live here and I was born here.
Ah, so you're a true native here.
Yeah, I love to be here.
Nice,
I
nice.
used to be a bartender, but I'm not really want to be a bartender. Not so. It's my passion, but I love to open my shop here and continue my family business.
I'm sorry, what'd you say? You
Bartender.
Oh, bartender. Okay,
Yeah.
bartender. Ah.
Tom, this is a bar, and you're tending to this bar, so you're still a bar.
You're still a bartender.
And a really good one.
When I starting to use all the alcohol, I will.
Okay, make like
this is
a
on
cocktail
board.
maker.
Yeah, you should make like a signature cocktail.
I will.
Yeah.
I have one already.
Oh, you have one?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, and the name is 519. 519. 519.
Oh, 590.
Yeah.
Ah, well, what's the recipe?
It's meaning.
He's
like-
not going to tell you his recipe, but he's not going to say. Don't tell him the recipe, but tell us what's in it. Tell us what's in it. How does it taste?
Actually, because that's for my first blood. I use tequila to go with chili.
Oh, okay.
Then I have strawberry, go with syrups.
Oh,
Then another one is grapefruit.
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 Ah.
Sounds delicious.
To have a like
Sour.
what I call it, a sour.
Lemon or
Sour.
sour? Okay,
Sour
sour.
taste.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
And
that's
have a camera for bitter.
yeah. Sounds delicious.
Okay, so if we come back tomorrow, Tom, can you make this drink for us?
Can we have it? I will stall for something from my bar.
Yeah,
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
stole something from my bar.
Yeah, please.
I only have 3 cups of it. 3 cups of it.
Well, 1, 2, 3. No,
Yeah. That's
I'll
it.
share one.
Three. For you guys, I have tried it a lot.
I'm gonna come back here tomorrow night anyway.
I tried it a lot, but
Okay,
this
okay.
for you guys.
Do you know this place?
Let's go. Yeah,
Is it good?
That's a bar.
Is it good?
Yeah, it is good. It's not.
All right, guys. It's been a long day, and the night market here in Hoi An is insane. It's one of the largest markets I've ever been to, and it's already past 11 p.m. and it just never ends. So what started happening is all like the vendors, the food vendors are coming out now, and they're just lining the river. So many food vendors now. But again, guys, that is it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching my vlog today. And if you want to see more of our content, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the like button, and then comment down below what you guys want to see next. Until next time, mabuhay!